5 Best Engine Care. Here is the product number 5. 11 pieces connector pin removal auto car plug. Features: it can quickly classify various types of wires with car connector between the lines. It is essential and useful to check as car repair tools. Specifications: color, as picture shown. Material: plastic plus metal. Quantity: 11 pieces. Weight, approx. 30 grams. Size, approx. 6.5 by 2 by 0. 2 cm/2.55 by 0.78 by 0.07 in single diameter, 0.8, 1, 1.2, 1.4 in dual diameter, 2, 3, 4.5, 6 in inside diameter. Here is the product number 4. 3 pieces, 8 pieces, 11 pieces auto car plug circuit board wire harness. Best recommendation, very useful repair essential! Car plug terminal extraction repair tool. 1 car terminals remove tool. 2 auto terminals assemble and disassemble tool. 3 automotive wiring harness terminal removal tools. 4 car sound maintenance navigation tail wire harness tools. 5 connector crimp pin removal car terminal remover. Product features: car terminals remove tool / terminal back needle tool, terminal pick needle, wire harness, repair, terminal pick needle, pin back needle set is the most convenient car wire check and remove toolkit. Here is the product number 3. Universal diesel engine timing cam crank. Timing tool set for VAG 2.0 liter PD dock engines fitted to Audi A3/A4/A5/A6, Skoda Octavia 2 and Volkswagen Golf, Golf Plus, Jetta and Touran models. Also found on the Ford Galaxy models with ASZ and S1 VAG engines. Set includes crankshaft pulley locking tools for round, T10050, sprockets at 12 o'clock position and oval sprockets, T10100, at 1 o'clock position. Timing tool set for VAG 2.0 liter PD dock engines. Here is the product number 2. Auto car brake fluid oil change replacement tool. Features: easy to operate, 1 person can finish brake fluid replacing work without dirty oil stained on the floor. Abandoning the traditional tiring and boring oil replacing method. Universally works for cars, trucks and engineering vehicle. Say goodbye to the job of 2 persons. Say goodbye to dirty oil stained on floor. Say goodbye to the traditional tiring and boring oil replacement method. How to use: 1. Take away the dirty brake fluid from the tank. 2. Put in the new fluid back. 3. Start the car and connect the hose between the equipment and the brake branch pump. Here is the product number 1. Auto car plug circuit board wire harness. Car plug terminal extraction repair tool. 1 car terminals remove tool. 2 auto terminals assemble and disassemble tool. 3 automotive wiring harness terminal removal tools. 4 car sound maintenance navigation tail wire harness tools. 5 connector crimp pin removal car terminal remover. Product features: car terminals remove tool / terminal back needle tool, terminal pick needle, wire harness repair, terminal pick needle, pin back needle set is the most convenient car wire check and remove toolkit. It can quickly classify various types of wire car connector between the lines. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.